This is a Seawall inspection for max home inspection conducted by SeaMeDive on November 27th, 2020, showing a seawall, a tongue and groove pre-concrete stress wall with a port-in-place cap. We're just going to take a short video of the area where there's bowing damage of the wall. We're at the east side of the property. This is the first panel and cap that is affected by the bowing. Right here you can see the hairline crack and it travels down. Then we move to the next cap, the next panel, panel number 2 from the east, and it's got a vertical crack going down, and as you can see here there's a separation in the cap, there's a crack and the rusting of the rebar and also some spider cracks coming out of that. That's panel number 2. There's also another crack right here in the center that's correlating to this crack, and then the actual separation crack happened here at the bowing point, and you can see right here that's where it starts. It actually starts on the top and it goes down the panel and then it fractures into 2 different sections. This needs to be addressed very soon, otherwise this wall is gonna implode outward. This inspection was conducted by SeaMeDive. Happy Thanksgiving.